Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing for my Darn Good Yarn box for December of 2020. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. There are different tiers that you can buy, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then one mystery gift that is different every time. I'm very excited to finally have my December box. My next video with the Darn Good Yarn boxes is going to be my roundup review for all of my boxes in 2020. I'm very excited to deep dive into all of the things that I got and give you my reviews, let you know if you should skip over it, if you should get it, if this box is even right for you. I'm hoping to have that video out next week, at least a week after this video goes up. So be sure to subscribe. That way you can stay tuned and make sure you see all of my thoughts and opinions on the Darn Good Yarn boxes that I got in 2020. So let's get into my box for December of 2020. First, look at this gorgeous color. This like teal turquoise is absolutely beautiful. This is one of my favorite colors in the entire world. So I love that I'm like ending the year on this gorgeous color. It is beautiful. I don't know why they put a giant sticker on the front of my box. Sometimes it happened like one other time. It's not really a big deal if I was just like a normal consumer. It sucks for me because I have to take thumbnails, but like other than that, it's really not that big of a deal. But yeah, this box is super cute. I love the color of it. So let's get in and see what I got. Oh, that yarn is bright. All right, let's see. Start with the yarn. Oh, it is bright and colorful. Oh, I love that. Let's see. Worsted weight. Ooh, silk roving. It is very soft, squishy. Oh, I love that. Those colors. Yes. I love bright colors. If you've been following me for a while, you know that. I love that. All right. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I can make a little peacock. It's so cute. Oh, I love that. I know that they sell kits on their site, but I've never got one before. This kit is so adorable. I love it. I actually have never looked into their kits before. I mean, like I said, I've seen them on the website, but I've never really been interested because I'm not someone who makes little stuffy animals. I've tried it and practice makes perfect, but I'm not good at it. Like, I don't like working with small yarn and small hooks. It drives me insane. So I'm not sure when I will make this, but I'm very excited to sort of dive into it. And I'd love to have him just in my craft room, just like chilling somewhere. He's so cute. I love him. All right. And then you always get a booklet. And the booklet is going to tell you about Darn Good Yarn, how that yarn was made. It's going to tell you about your yarn for the month, your mystery gift. Oh my gosh, the yarn is beautiful. I love it. It's going to tell you about the club. It's going to give you a knitting pattern for the yarn. It's going to give you a crochet pattern also for the yarn. Ooh, those are cute. And then, yeah, it's just going to tell you about Darn Good Yarn and everything. Oh, this box was really cute. What a fun box to actually end 2020 with, like this is a good one to end with. Honestly, it's so positive and cute and I love it. Yeah, so that's going to be my box for December of 2020. Like I said, I am going to do a roundup of all the things that I got throughout the whole year. I'm very excited to get that video together. I'm going to film it this week, get it up probably next weekend. I'm hoping next weekend, depending on how much. I have to find everything because I sort of like decorated my craft room and everything. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. I love this box. It's really fun. I did want to let you guys know that I am still going to be getting Darn Good Yarn boxes for 2021. I think unboxing these with you guys and just showing you what I got, sharing my thoughts and opinions, it's really fun for me and I do enjoy this box a lot. I will be giving you my honest review though on my end of the year recap video. So just letting you know this series will continue. I do enjoy doing it and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. You know, I love your feedback. I love hearing from you guys down below. So thank you guys so much. So please feel free to leave me any comments down below. Talk to me about how you feel about any of the products I got in this box or any that I got this year. I love hearing from you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day. You gonna sniff everything? Don't get in the box. Don't get in that box, ma'am. Can you go lay down while I film? All right, thank you.